Okay guys, this is the exhaust that was removed from the E36. Apparently this is not the original either. And then there's a hole there. And here's the muffler. Glad I changed this. But what was happening was I could smell the fumes inside of the car. Installing the last bolt on to bracket this entire system over here. As you can see, it's all stainless steel. Hopefully it'll perform just as nice. Guys, we just changed the entire exhaust system to a stainless steel one. So a new muffler over here by G Ready, and we got a new resonator over there, and hopefully it doesn't smell like gasoline.